Dear viewer, welcome to this video presentation on design thinking. In this session, we will explore the key principles and stages of the design thinking methodology.
Design thinking is a powerful approach to problem solving and innovation that emphasizes empathy, creativity, and a human-centered focus. It's a process that has been widely embraced by industries ranging from product design and user experience to business innovation and social entrepreneurship. In this video, we'll dive deeper into each stage of the design thinking process, from empathizing with the needs of users to defining the problem, ideating creative solutions, prototyping, testing, and finally, implementing your innovative ideas. We'll also discuss the fundamental principles that guide design thinking, such as the importance of empathy, collaboration, iteration, and open-mindedness. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about this innovative problem-solving approach, this video aims to provide you with a clear understanding of design thinking and its application in various contexts. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this insightful exploration of design thinking. Feel free to take notes, ask questions, and engage with the material as we journey through the world of creative problem solving. Thank you for joining us, and let's get started on our design thinking adventure.
Design thinking is a problem-solving and innovation methodology that emphasizes a human-centered approach to tackle complex issues and develop creative solutions. It is a flexible and iterative process that can be applied to a wide range of problems and industries.
Design thinking is widely used in fields like product design, user experience design, business innovation, and social entrepreneurship, but its principles can be applied to virtually any problem-solving scenario where a human-centered and creative approach is beneficial. Here are the key stages and principles of design thinking.
Number 1. Empathize.
Start by understanding and empathizing with the people who are experiencing the problem you're trying to solve. This involves conducting research, interviews, and observations to gain insights into their needs, behaviors, and emotions.
Number 2. Define.
Based on the empathy stage, define the problem statement in a clear and concise manner. This step is crucial because it helps you focus on the real problem rather than symptoms or assumptions.
Number 3. Ideate.
Generate a wide range of creative ideas to solve the defined problem. Encourage brainstorming and free thinking, and don't dismiss any idea too early. Tools like brainstorming sessions, mind maps, and other creative techniques can be useful.
Number 4. Prototype.
Create tangible representations of your ideas, often in the form of prototypes or mock-ups. These prototypes can be low-fidelity, simple sketches, or high-fidelity, detailed models or simulations. Prototyping allows you to quickly test and iterate on your ideas.
Number 5. Test.
Put your prototypes in front of users or stakeholders and gather feedback. This stage is about learning and refining your solutions based on real-world feedback. It may involve multiple iterations of prototyping and testing.
Number 6. Implement.
Once you've refined your solution through testing, it's time to implement it on a larger scale. This could involve creating a final product, service, or system and deploying it to the intended users or customers. The key principles of design thinking revolve around a human-centered, empathetic, and iterative approach to problem solving. These principles emphasize understanding the needs and emotions of users, embracing empathy as a guiding force, and fostering collaboration within diverse teams. Design thinking encourages an open-minded, bias-toward-action mindset, where ideation and prototyping play essential roles. Visualization aids in conveying ideas, while systems thinking reminds us to consider the broader context of problems. These principles collectively form the foundation for a dynamic and creative problem-solving process that can be applied across a wide range of domains, from product design to business strategy and beyond. Here are the key principles of design thinking.
Number 1. Human-centered.
Design thinking prioritizes understanding the needs, emotions, and behaviors of the people who will use or be affected by the solution.
Number 2. Empathetic approach.
Empathy is at the core of design thinking. It involves actively listening to users, trying to see the world from their perspective, and developing a deep understanding of their needs and challenges.
Number 3. Iterative process.
Design thinking is not linear but iterative. You may cycle through the stages multiple times, refining and improving your solutions based on feedback and insights.
Number 4. Collaboration.
Cross-functional teams with diverse skills and backgrounds work together in the design thinking process to bring a variety of perspectives to the problem-solving process.
Number 5. Bias toward action.
Design thinking encourages taking action and creating prototypes early in the process to learn from real-world testing.
Number 6. Open-mindedness.
Design thinkers cultivate a mindset that is open to new ideas and willing to challenge assumptions. They avoid premature judgment and criticism during ideation.
Number 7. Visualization.
Visual tools, such as sketches, diagrams, and prototypes, are important for conveying ideas and making complex concepts tangible.
Number 8. Systems thinking.
Design thinkers consider the broader context and ecosystem in which a problem exists, recognizing that solutions can have ripple effects on various aspects of a system.
In summary, design thinking is a user-centric problem-solving method that revolves around empathy, collaboration, and iterative processes. It involves understanding user needs, defining problems, generating creative solutions, prototyping, and refining ideas based on feedback. This versatile approach can be applied to various domains and fosters innovation and creative problem-solving. Thanks for watching our video.
We're thrilled to have you as a part of our online community at Academy TI4. Your support means the world to us, and we have an important request to make. If you've enjoyed the video you just watched and found it informative, entertaining, or valuable in any way, please consider doing a few simple yet powerful things to support us.
Like our video.
Click that thumbs up button to give us a like. It takes just a second, but it makes a huge difference in helping our content reach more people.
Share our video.
Sharing is caring. Share this video on your social media platforms, with friends, and within your networks. Your share could introduce our channel to someone who might truly benefit from our content.
Subscribe our channel.
Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. By subscribing, you ensure you won't miss any of our future content.
Comment on our video.
Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Please take a moment to leave a comment on the video, sharing your thoughts, suggestions, or ideas. Your insights help us improve and tailor our content to your preferences.
Remember, every like, share, and comment matters. Your engagement not only encourages us but also helps our channel grow and reach a wider audience, allowing us to create more content that resonates with you.
Thank you for being a part of Academy TI4. Your support fuels our passion for creating informative and engaging content. Together, we can continue to learn, grow, and explore new horizons. Keep visiting our channel for new videos. Thank you.